Hello beautiful people, welcome to this platform. I am super excited. Happy new month to you. Today is first day of December 2023, and also this month is actually the last month of the year 2023. I'm so delighted to God Almighty for keeping me alive in good health till this time, and I'm very sure that you too are very delighted to God Almighty. So I've got good news for you today. MOVIESTAR QUEST Season 2 is here. Alright, just in case this is your first time to come across the MOVIESTAR QUEST, the MOVIESTAR QUEST is actually an online competition. The aim of this competition is to help discover, promote and support fresh actors and actresses and take them into a successful career in film acting. So if you're watching me now and all you have always wanted to do is to act, I guess this is the opportunity for you not just to act, but to win fabulous prizes. Because guess what? The star prize for this competition is a whopping 500,000 naira worth of deal, both in cash prize and in film contract deals. God, isn't that amazing? Is that something you would love to miss? I guess no. Alright, so your opportunity to live your dreams as a film actor is here at the MOVIESTAR QUEST. All you have to do is stick around with us and follow the process from the registration to the main competition and to the voting stage, and then you are just going to be on your way to living your dreams. The competition is actually divided into 3 categories. We have the registration, we have the main competition, and we have the voting. All right. So the registration, the process of registration is actually very simple. A few simple tasks will be given to you for you to perform. Once you're done with that, your registration will be done. And then you're going to be added to the group chat for the competition. And then that's all. All right. There is actually no registration fee for this competition. It is absolutely free. All right. So now the main competition. We are going to release the storyline for the competition to all actors. And all you have to do is study the storyline, do your rehearsals, and then perform yourself, acting according to the story, and record it with your phone and get it sent to us. All right. And the last step, which is the voting. Just before we announce the winner, there is going to be a process of voting. All contestants are going to be given the opportunity to vote. All right. So a link will be generated from your video and sent across to you. And all you have to do is get it sent to all your friends and families, loved ones, and well-wishers, and encourage them to vote for you. You may just be the winner if you score the highest vote. And then after the voting segment, if you become the winner, then we are going to announce you the next day. And then remember guys, all of the information for the show is already stipulated on the guidelines for this competition. So all you have to do is finish watching this video and then get back to our DM. Tell us that you're done watching the video so we can lead you through the process of registration. And after your registration, we are so definitely going to send you the guidelines for this competition. And please do yourself the favor to read your guidelines very effectively, because all the information for this competition are already stipulated on the guidelines. I thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and we are so privileged to have you wanting to sign up for the MOVIESTAR QUEST Season 2. So, my name is Elegant Akpabio, and I am your host and also the project director for this competition. See you on the other side of the competition when you contact us. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace out.